Today I'm going to be making daikon salad. When you eat daikon raw, you have a crunchy texture with bitterness and a refreshing taste. Suitable to serve with meat because it helps your digestion. It's a Japanese-style healthy salad. I'm using the bottom part that has a bit more spicy flavor and it is fibrous and that is good to have as salad. Peel and cut into strips. Slice them into 2 to 3 millimeters, then cut into strips. Release in icy cold water to remove the spiciness and to make a crunchy texture. Use your salad spinner to remove any excess moisture. And I mix with green vegetables. I used chrysanthemum leaves, and it is also a unique vegetable in Japan, and red onions. You don't have to add any vegetables if you don't have on your hand, just daikon radish. Makes a great salad. Next, we are making the sesame dressing. This is the one I always use for Japanese-style salad. If you remember the previous video, I made a broccoli salad for tipsy sake. Make a double or triple batch to keep it in your refrigerator. It keeps well for the next couple of weeks. Transfer the radish and vegetables like mountains and sprinkle Katsuobushi, bonito flakes, and Nori seaweed for the topping. Shake the sesame dressing again and drizzle over the salad. And toast to coat evenly, and then enjoy. Because we release the daikon radish in water, the spiciness and the bitterness is gone and it goes so well with the sesame dressing. You cannot stop eating. I hope you like this recipe and I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And tap the bell icon to turn on the notification not to miss any of my new videos. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for more information. And my Amazon store has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!